Thanks for stopping by Apple's Art Studio. Welcome to my new series, My Favorite Things. I have found this GEMPUDDY to be a fascinating product. It comes with a little scoop, and you just scoop out a little bit, and you can see it's clear, and it's really not as sticky as it looks. It's a putty type product. Set that out of the way. So I'm going to take it and I'm going to roll it into a snake. And what I'm going to do is put it on these hearts and add these hearts to the circles on these two pieces that we put the deep shine on in the last video. So I'm just going to take a little bit, and this doesn't take a lot. And I'm going to put it along the back side of these hearts. And it cures clear. So I want it to hold onto the clay on my piece, but I also want it to squoosh out a little bit, if that's a word, when I press it down. Can you see where it's shiny in the picture? That's where the GEMPUDDY is. Okay. I'm going to set my heart sort of at an angle. This is the UV product. So you've got to put it back under your UV light. I've used it on several different things, and it's always held. It's a permanent fix. And I'm just going to take my nail and push the GEMPUDDY back up against the heart. And we'll put that one under to cure, and this takes no time at all to cure. And whether I've used it on clay or metal or wood or whatever, it's held. How it works, I don't know. I'm not a scientist. But again, I will put it on the back. And this product may not be as well known as like deep shine or regular resin or other UV products. But let me tell you what, it's a fascinating product. I just want to get it on all the edges, so when I push it down, it comes out. Now this is the one that's going to be the brooch pin. Now, let's that where I want it? Because this is what's going to hold on to the brooch. So yeah, I think that's where I want it. Let's put this one under here. Now I also had this little stone, and it seemed to be something that would look cool on here. And this is just a piece of filigree metal. And I'm going to put this on a piece of filigree. Let it show up shiny a little bit there. And I will put my stone on top of it. And we're going to put it under the light and let it cure. And then I think I'm going to assemble some of these pieces. I took some of the scrap clay that I had left over and just made some round beads and put deep shine on them. That's the good thing about deep shine. You can put it on round and curved surfaces with no problems. So let me get all this gem putty cured on these pieces and put a couple of these together, and I'll be back.